underrated financial advice na kadalasan nakakalimutan ng mga Pilipino?
To be honest, kaya Josh, ako for all honesty, discipline talaga eh. Parang maraming tao hindi disiplinado. Parang alam nila kung ano yung kailangan gawin. They watch all of these content, they read books, they find the right mentors, pero hindi lahat nagtitake ng action. So for in simple terms, it's really taking action, really executing, and really be disciplined. Kasi long-term journey to eh. Hindi to yung magpo-plant ka ng seed, tas bukas aanihin mo, di ba? You really need to take this as a journey, take it step by step, really learn through it, so that eventually you can achieve your financial goals and dreams. So,
Totoo yan, no? Kasi imagine, available na yung mga financial literacy, mga books, all over the internet, pero ang dami pa rin mga Pilipinong naghihirap. Diba? So bakit? Kasi onti lang yung willing mag-take action for them to get their goals.
Yeah, very, very important yun. Sinasabi lagi ni Boss Rex, education without execution is just entertainment. So, di ba? Kailangan talaga mag-execute tayo.